Yeah, matagal kami magkasama ni Chris Ross since our first championship. And every championship, alam ko, nag-step up siya, starting from the playoffs. And then tonight, nakita natin how important he is. Andun yung kanyang leadership, andyan yung kanyang distribution ng bola, and then comfortable sa kanya yung mga players as a point guard. And then we're so lucky because we did not commit a lot of turnovers. I think this is 10 turnovers. We're averaging before 15, and then you can see naman on the stats. So it's a balanced scoring from the bench at saka itong starter namin. We scored I think 50 and 48. Well, balance na balance to. And that's the key. Because the first group relying more on the bench because they need rest, especially Junmar. Okay, and then Mo, I'm happy for Mo. He's playing well and nag-start siya after a few misses na nag-start siya sa game, and everybody they're doing the role, and even Jeron Teng, pagpasok niya, I think he scored in double figure 10 points, ganyan, medyo very eager lang siya kung-score, but we told him na, Jeron, this is a team game, okay, you should know what to do because we need you in the game as long as now you're playing good defense and your hustle is there, the energy is there, so we have no problem with him.
Thank you, Coach. Don't galing ka sa lower shot 4 out of 13, 30.8%. But something na napatunayan mo sa Liga is you're not shy. Kahit anong tulo pa yan ng laro. Where is this confidence coming from and how are you able to build this level of confidence?
I work out every day. I work on my game. So, yun, doon nanggagaling yung confidence ko kasi wino-workout ko naman siya. And kahit pag-miss ako ng 0 out of 20, I'm still gonna shoot. Whatever happens, I'm there inside. Nagtiwala sa akin si coach. So, yeah, kailangan ko lang sa playa.
Before I turn away the press, Coach Leo, sa sinabi niyo doon, kahit pag-mintis siya ng marami, trust is still there for people. Ano yung nakikita mo kayo doon, Coach? Even at the result point of the game.
Yeah, very steady siya from the start of the second quarter. I know na makikita mo naman sa body language niya. Unlike in the practice, makikita mo tatawa-tawa lang siya. Pero tonight, makita mo seryoso siya. And that's a sign of body language na he wants to win. After a loss, I think we have to bounce back. And everybody realize na we have to step up dahil hindi biro malagay sa 0-2. And then now, we reduce the series into best of 5. So next game is very important for us, dahil for them also, that is pivotal because sabi ko nga before, this is just like a chess match. So it's a move of adjustment.
Now ready for the questions from the
Let's say congratulations.
Thank you.
Kung siyempre, very frustrating talo ng Game 1. Paano nyo nalasin na hindi kayo ma-demoralize sa nangyari sa motivated kayo box back? And to prove na yun, nangyari sa Game 1 sa Game 2.
Yeah, we've been in this adversity and we know what to do. And plus, the support of the management, especially Coach Al, he was there in our practice, to motivate us. And it's a big, it's a good, a good support from the management. Dahil alam nila, kaya pa rin namin manalo. And pinatunayan ngayon And I told them na the chances is still there. Okay, it's a game of best of 7. So it's just a one loss. Before, there's a lot of championship series for us, naunahan talaga kami first game. So parang iniisip namin baka ito yung pattern para sa amin. And I hope sana magkatotoo ito. But talagang hindi kami pinatulog Halos lahat pagdating namin sa practice after nung game, Monday, wala kaming masabi until na dumating yung management. So wala na tayo magagawa. So we have to fight back and then bounce back, and then this is what happened. Makita mo naman sa body language ng mga player, they want to win.
Si Mo, gusto yung pre-move niya after the game 1. Paano siya motivate to win na maka-contribute dito sa panalo niya.
Si Mo?
Kinza? Kasi, 119 din.
Again, sorry.
Si Mo, gusto yung paano siya motivate na hindi siya makakita sa nangyari.
Yeah, hindi namin masyado pinag-usapan what happened sa dunk niya. Makikita mo naman tonight, nag-dunk uli siya nag-miss ganyan. That's how we handle that kind of situation for a player. Hindi kailangan ma-pressure dahil alam naman natin player pagka marami kang narinig, marami kang sinabi, parang maraming analysis, nagiging paralysis And we just let him play. And then, naiintindihan ni Mo. That's why, before the start of the game, pagdating niya dito sa dugout, Mo, ako pa nagtanong sa kanya, Mo, if it is okay, I will start you tonight. Sabi niya, yes, coach. Biglang nagbihis agad, nag-warm up. Kaya sabi ko, this is a sign of I know, he will bounce back. And he is a good help to our team tonight.
Ano lang masabi sa impact ni Christmas kanina sa depensa namin force the third quarter?
Given na talaga yun yung defense niya that's his game but yung impact niya, yung leadership niya, he knows what to do. This is the championship and kilala ko siya. Alam niya, kahit hindi siya score o nagano, baliwala sa kanya. As long as na inaalagaan niya yung mga teammate niya sa loob. And that's what happened. What more? Kung nakaka-score pa siya, because of his still defensive skills niya, talagang marami nag-miss Especially yung mga pass break na sure 2 points. Instead na maka 2 points sila, kami nakaka 2 points. That's a big help because the game is so close. And I think 1 or 2 turnovers, I think it will cause a game And I'm so happy with him dahil talagang yung worth niya, pinakita niya.
After nung order yung tatlong mga yung umahon after paano mabigat sa iyo nung nangyari yun? And paano naman yung bounce up mo in a way na hindi mo na-isip yung nangyari for this game?
Well, nung nangyari yun, actually, syempre galit kami kasi I think we're about to win. And syempre, yun nga, nangyari yun. Actually, hindi rin ako nakatulog I'm so eager to bounce back. And yeah, we bounce back tonight.
Coach, ano lang kasi although you dominated the game in the first half, parang yung starting point is outside looking. So this is something that you want to work on.
Yeah, you have to give credit also the defense of Talk and Text And dahil all of our shots in the perimeter contested actually, yung mga tira ni doon sa labas his own creation na yun out of our patterns. But what is important is after kami to sa high percentage. And yung first game namin, ganun din and what we did right now medyo na-limit namin ng konti yung kanilang 3-point shooting. Last time, I think 20 beyond the arc tinira nila. That's why they scored 63 points dito sa beyond the arc last time. And tonight 17 of 31. Medyo malaki pa rin pero 11 of 37. 11 of 37 talagang kalahati yun nawala And I think what we told them we should go to our high percentage shooting. Which is the shaded area. And makikita mo naman, dominated dito sa 2 points area, napakalaki in-score namin.
Right?
That ends our game.
Thank you. Oy, cellphone mo na